Hello, this is Miss Gasparini. I'm making another video for my lovely RPI mathematicians and any other first grade mathematicians who might be interested. This video is going into something we didn't make it to in school yet, which is subtraction with regrouping. This is a very new concept for us, and it's definitely something we will talk about a lot when we get back. While you are out of school, you will probably encounter subtraction with regrouping in the packets you were sent or on Zern. So I thought it would be helpful to have a video tutorial to go along with it and show you what you're supposed to do. So let's look at today's equation. Today's equation is 33, take away 15. So as usual, I have set up a vertical problem. The reason I have set up 33 minus 15 as a vertical subtraction problem is because it's easier for me to separate my tens and ones and not confuse myself. I've also set up my place value chart. So as you're noticing probably, it only has 33. This is because in subtraction, you break apart a whole rather than combine two parts. Our whole is 33. And we're taking 15 away from it. So right now I only want to have 33 here. As always, I'm going to start by looking at my ones. I have 3 ones. I need to take away 5. Now, you might be noticing a problem here. Are you noticing a problem? Yeah, I don't have enough ones to take away 5. I only have 3 ones here. So it's impossible. I need to find the ones somewhere. Where do you think I can find ones? Yes, that's a great idea. I'm going to go break apart a 10. So this is regrouping and subtraction. Regrouping and subtraction is not the same thing as regrouping and addition. When you're regrouping in addition, you are taking 10 ones and turning them into 1 10. When you're regrouping in subtraction, you are taking 1 10 and breaking it apart into 10 ones. So let's see, I have this 10 here. I'm going to break it apart because I need more ones. So I'm going to take the ones that were making up this 10, and I'm going to put them over here. So as my lovely RPI mathematicians probably remember, in 110, there are 10 ones. So I am going to, on this side, bring over 10 ones. And I am actually going to copy and paste because that makes it a little bit easier for me. So if you can bear with me for one moment. 3, 4, 5, there we go. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so what I've done is I have broken up that 110 into 10 ones and moved them into the ones place. So here is that group of ones, those 10 ones that I moved into the ones place so that I can take away 5. So how many ones do I have over here now? I had my original 3 plus this new group of 10 now. So if I have 10 plus 3, I have 10, 11, 12, 13 ones in here now. So I need to show that. I don't just have 3 ones here. I have 13 ones. And I'm noticing now that I've crossed off This 10, I don't have 3 10s over here anymore. How many 10s do I have over here now? Yep, I have 2 10s, and I want to write that down too. I have 2 10s. So I don't have 3 10s and 3 1s anymore. I have 2 10s and 13 1s. Okay, so I have 13 1s now. I need to take away 5 of them. Let's do that. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I took away 5, which means I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones left. All right, so that's how many ones I have left. Let's see. Now I have 2 10s here. I need to take away 1 10. So I'm going to take away 1 10. And I have 2 10s. I took away 1. That means I have 1 10 left. All right, so I have 1 10 left and 8 1s left. So I'm going to bring that over here. I have 8 1s and 1 10. What does this mean? Well, if I have 1 10 and 8 1s left, that means 33 take away 15 is 18. So 33 minus 15 equals 18. So this is a pretty complicated process, as you can see, and we are going to talk a lot about it, like I said, in class. While you're out of school, we'll talk about it more too. But I thought this video might be a good starting point. Please let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a lovely day. I miss you girls so much. All right. Bye-bye.